Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to add and manage your bookmarks. So like I said in the last video, since your icons may not appear on your desktop, you may find it easier rather than typing in each time you want to go to a site to add it to your bookmarks and then arrange them so that they are listed according to the frequency that you use them. So first thing we would like to do is we're going to add a bookmark. So you can go to any site that you like. I'm going to go to our technology.hermitage.k12.pa.us site that I'm sure we all have bookmarked already. I pushed it pretty hard last year. You can see this year there's even more resources. So this would be a good one to work with. Once I'm here, if I come over here to the right, I can see it says bookmark this page. Okay. So you can see the name of it. I can rename it if I'd like. You can see the folder that it's going into. If I click on this, I can see that I have these folders, or I have my bookmarks bar. So my bookmarks bar is this bar right underneath the URL. Probably the easiest way to get to a site is by placing it here. So I will click on bookmarks bar, and I'll click on done. Once I do this, you'll see that it does not appear on my bookmarks bar because I've added it after all of these other bookmarks. So I can either click on the two arrows to the right, and then you'll see that I have it listed there, or I can come to my settings button. Looks like a little exclamation point. I can go into I can click on bookmarks and then Bookmarks Manager. Once I'm in my Bookmarks Manager, you can see on the left-hand side has my bookmarks bar, imported from IE, Media, Teacher Connect, and other bookmarks. Bookmarks bar is what I want to work with right now. You can see at the bottom is HSD Instructional Technology. If I wanted this to be all the way at the top so that it comes before Pennsylvania Department of Education, which is currently the first in my bookmarks bar, I just click and hold and I drag up to the top, and now you can see instantaneously it appears at the very top. You can do this with your mail or any sites that you go to most often. It automatically saves for you, so I'm done. Now if I wanted to get rid of a bookmark, I can just come over here to my three dots, my hot dog, and I can click on delete. I could also just click on it and it would open up for me in a new tab or a new window. Okay, so that's how we work with our bookmarks bar. Let's say, for example, I go to a different website and I don't want it to be on my bookmarks bar, but I would like to have access to it. So let's say I go to Think Central. And once I'm in Think Central, I want to bookmark this. So I click on my star. There are no folders here where I would like to put this bookmark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Choose Another Folder. And I can put it underneath my bookmarks bar if I'd like. Or I can create a new folder underneath Other Bookmarks. So I click New Folder, Think Central, or whatever you'd like to name it, save. And now if I click on this star, I can see that it's under Think Central. It's named Think Central in the Think Central bar. So if I ever wanted to access that, I can come over here to Other Bookmarks, go to my folder Think Central, and it appears once I hover over top of that folder. So it just depends on whether you want to add everything to your bookmarks bar and click on the two arrows pointing to the right, or if you'd like to put it in another folder, to click on Other Bookmarks, create my folder, and then my site is within that folder. As always, if you have any questions, please contact the tech department.